Hello friends, welcome to another episode of AskSanjeevMishra.com. Here in this video, the question is, what are the legal steps required to start an online business? It's a very common question. When you are starting a business, you have this question, right? What are the legal steps? What things, any documentation is required? Any government official, any government steps are required? Any approval is required to start a business? Now, if you are starting an online business, there are many types of online business you can do. There are some businesses where you don't need any legal step. You don't have to contact any legal advisor or anybody. You can start your business without any legal steps. So, to start an online business, probably you have to purchase a domain. The domain will be registered on your name, and there you don't need any legal step. Then you can start your website over there on the same domain. You can go ahead and purchase a hosting account, hosting server, and you can start your online website. That can be a blog or e-commerce website or anything where you are making money through advertisement and many other channels which are available. You are running email marketing campaigns, and even without any legal steps, you can run Facebook advertisements and Google advertisements. Now, most of the time you need to have privacy policy details on your website, terms where you will explain everything. Is there any, if you are selling a product, then is there any refund policy? What are the terms when people are using your products or services? What steps you will take when they are facing some challenges? And if they can take any legal action, who is responsible for the product or services that you can mention? So without any legal step, you can start many types of online businesses, without worrying. Now, there are some things which you can have in certain types of online businesses. Say for example, if you are starting e-commerce website, now probably you will go ahead and you will integrate a payment gateway, and then you have to provide an invoice or receipt to your customers. There you can have tax invoice. So for that you need a taxation details in your country, whatever taxation is there. You can have those taxations. For India, we have GST, so we can have GST details and we can provide the details on invoice. Similarly, if you are starting a business where you are providing consultancy and it's an agency, then you can go ahead and register your agency as a sole proprietor or business or in a partnership form or like LLP and INC, whatever you want. You can register your company just like any other company which are being registered. For the taxation, whatever money you are generating, either it will go as individual income if you are working as freelancer, or if you are working as individual running a website with income from AdSense or many other sources, then you can declare your income as an individual income. If you have registered a company and you are showing the income as company's income, then like any other business, you have to maintain the balance sheet and all those details required to be done. So that is just like normal business which are there. They have to maintain the balance sheet. They have to keep their financial aspect clean. So that you have to do when you are running online business. For freelancers, they have to declare the income as individual income, and they can pay the taxes accordingly. So it's not like you need any special legal things when you are running an online business. What you have to make sure that you are following copyright policies. You are not using images or design provided by others or released by others without their permission. So if you will use those things, then there may be some legal trouble. So avoid those things. For designs or images, you can go and use platforms like Pixabay, or you can also check for non-commercial uses license or license rights on Google, or you can also check on Flickr. So go ahead and avoid using images which are copyrighted or content which are copyrighted. That can cause trouble if you are copying content or copying images without permission. So that is one thing. Second thing is, most of the time people ask that, okay, I have to add payment gateways to my website. I want to accept payment, like payments through PayPal or Stripe or many other payment gateways. If you want to accept payment, there is no need for legal documentation. You just have to provide the details like KYC details to PayPal or Stripe or many other payment gateways, just for verification that what is your SSN number, or you can provide in India we have PAN or we have Aadhaar. So you can just provide KYC document to these people for verification that you are the individual, and you also need to provide your taxation details, like we have PAN card number, so we can provide that, so that the limit which they restrict on accepting payment. So all right, you can just accept $1,000 if you are not providing KYC details. So that limit can be removed if you will provide the details about yourself. Nothing else from on those things. So even if you want to accept payment online, then you can utilize these platforms without any legal step. You don't have to contact any legal advisor. Just like any businesses, by end of the financial year, you have to contact the advisor to file the taxation and all those details, like any other business. There is no special things which you have to do for online business. Even in online businesses, you can register your company, right? You can register your company in any other countries as well. So for example, if you are in India and you want to accept payment through Stripe, then Stripe is having a Stripe Atlas program, which you can see. That is really a good program which people in those countries where Stripe is directly not available, they can use Stripe services to accept payment via credit card, and they can register their company in US using Stripe Atlas program. So there are many ways through which you can register a company in different countries, and then you can start getting payment from there without any problem. So in online businesses, you have more opportunity as compared to traditional business. So of course, without much legal steps, you can go ahead and you can easily start your online business. You can start taking payments from anywhere in any form, and you can see success without much trouble. So I hope I answered this question. If you have any other question, you can ask that by sending your email to ask@sanjeevmishra.com. Like this video if you really like the content. Hit the like button, share this video with your friends, family or business partners who are planning to start online businesses and thinking about the legal steps and all those things. See you in the next video.